Welcome back everyone. In the last video we discussed the simple selectors. Now we will look into combinator selectors. A CSS selectors with two or more simple selectors, adding the combinators between them. Descendant selectors. The operator we used here, space operator. Just for example, div space h1 tag selects all the h1 elements that are inside the div element. Second one is the child combinator. This selects all the nodes that are direct children of the first element. Here the first element is div and the second element is h1. Select all the h1 elements where the parent element is div element. Next one is the adjacent sibling selector. This selector selects the adjacent siblings. This means the second element directly follows the first and both share the same parent. Div plus h1 selects all the h1 elements that are placed immediately after the div elements. The next one, the general sibling selector. General sibling selector selects all the h1 elements that are preceded by div element that share the same parent. Let us see how these combinators are used in adding the styles by working with a web page. Every web page, after loading into the web browser, a DOM tree will be created with using the HTML elements. All these HTML elements become the nodes for that DOM tree. Let me show you by inspecting the HTML page. After inspecting that page, here you could see the document body is the root element and the h1 element and the div element, this div element. These are the descendants of the document body. Within this class container 1, you have two more child there, h1 tag and the paragraph tag, and also the section. Within that section node, you have one more thing, that is the paragraph element. Like this, the DOM tree will be created. The descendant operator is the space operator. In this document, we have two div elements. Inside the div elements, we have paragraph. So, add the space and the paragraph element, select the paragraph element, change the text color to red. Save that and open in the browser. Here you could see the paragraphs within the two div elements. Change the text color to red. Let me show you with the child combinator. Just copy this and comment this declaration. Paste here and place the child operator and save this. One thing you observe here, only the text from container class and the text from div has changed its text color. This paragraph's text color is not changed because it is not the direct child of class container 1. I will show you by inspecting this HTML page. Just to inspect this, within this elements, this container class 1, here you could see we have the section 1 node here. Within that section 1, we have the paragraph. This is not the direct child of container class 1. The same follows here. Next one is the adjacent sibling selector. That is the plus operator. Division elements plus paragraph that changes the text color to red. Here one thing you observe here, after this div element there is paragraph element. Only this first paragraph element changes its text color, and this both div element and the paragraph element have the same parent. Now you save this, and when you open in the browser, here you could see only the paragraph next to container 1 is changed its text color. And the general sibling selector also works in the same way as the adjacent sibling selector. Here you just comment this and also uncomment this. We use the tilde operator here. It's refreshing. Here you could see both the paragraph that next to the container class, that is the div element, has changed its text color. This is the use of general sibling selector. I hope you are enjoying these videos. I hope you are enjoying this series. Keep watching and also subscribe my channel for the next type of selector, that is pseudo class selector. Thank you.